Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to build this semi-automated farm in Minecraft. So, as you can see here, I have a chest which collects all the crops when it breaks. There's just seeds in here for now, but I built the front out of glass because it's easier to see, so you can check when your crops are grown. And then how it works is you just push this button, releases water, and then the hoppers collect up all the crops. Some of it doesn't get collected all the time. I'll try and fix that, and if I do, I'll release another video on how I fixed it. And then, as you can see here, the crops that do get collected, I'll only miss out on maybe one or two, but the ones that are collected are put into this chest here for you to get, and then you can get the seeds and replant your crops. So what you're going to need for this is a chest, 4 repeaters, some dirt, some planks, some slabs, about 8 hoppers, some redstone dust, 6 pistons, some glass, well that's if you're doing the front out glass, stone button or any kind of button, some water, and a redstone torch. So what you want to do is you want to start out by getting your dirt, and you want to mark out 6x2 plot of dirt, and then right behind it you want to come up by 1 and do the same thing again, and then another 6x2, and then what you want to do after that is you want to make a 6x4 at the back here, and then once you have this done, actually it's easier to place the pistons now without the dirt here. So what you're going to do is come up another tree and place a block over the top there, and then you're going to get your pistons and come across like this the whole way across, and then once you finish that, you just break all this dirt here, get rid of the extra dirt, and place this back. And now once you have that done, what you want to do is you want to place some wooden blocks around this and just leave a little gap here, and do the same thing for the top bit here. Cover it up, some wooden blocks like that. What this is for is so that you can put water underneath here, and then that will keep your crops watered so that they'll grow. Can't reach it from right there, but you just want to fill this up with as much water as you can. Don't have to fill it up completely, but it helps if you do. And then just lock this off so it's not leaking out anymore. And then under here you want to do the exact same thing, just fill it up with water. And then just place some wood blocks there, and then around here just kind of add some extra wooden blocks to kind of make it look a bit nicer. And then once you're done that, what you want to do is just come around the entire thing and bring the walls over the dirt up by 3, and all these little spots by at least 3. This is the reason it's up by 3, is to stop the crops from going over the edges. But you can bring it up as high as you want. I'll just bring it up 3 to kind of make it a bit smaller, kind of as compact as possible. and then just finish this off. And now once you have that done, you can come to the back here and you can place wooden blocks all along here so that the redstone doesn't just break. And then you place it, and then you're going to put your redstone torch here, and you're going to do redstone dust coming the whole way across here. And what that'll do is it'll keep these pistons activated so that the water only comes out once you press your button down here. So what you want to do then is have a trail of what you want to do is have like a trail of wooden blocks just coming down to where you want your button to be. I'm going to have mine right here, and then you can place your button down, put your redstone up here, and then just push the button to make sure it works. And then once that's done, just place some slabs up on top. Make sure you don't place them right on the edge here like that, or it'll block off the redstone and it won't work. And then just keep placing that the whole way up. And once you have that done, you can just kind of cover all this redstone up with whatever you want, kind of decorate it if you really want to. And then yeah, just cover all this up with some slabs and some blocks. And then once you have that done, you can come in here and you place a slab here. Actually, wait, no, sorry, one there. And then you want to come up here. I know this is cutting off some of the dirt. You can extend it out to the side if you want to stop that from happening, but I don't really mind if it does. And then what you want to do after that is dig down under here so that you can place down your hoppers, and you want to place them all going over, all coming over into these hoppers. And these are what will collect your crops. You can break these too because they'll be leading into the chest. And then just place your double chest here, and then place your two hoppers leading into the back of that. And then once you've finished that, what you want to do is break a big row of blocks underneath it and place down a trail of redstone dust leading over here. I'll just use dirt to fill this up to see. But yeah, bring back your redstone dust to here, and then break out a 3x3 that's the hole 2 deep in the ground. And then this is when you want your 4 repeaters. So you place one repeater here, one here, one here, and one here. And then place your redstone dust down, break a little gap here, and then get your torch and place it straight. After you place it, you want to break it. You want to do that really quickly so it doesn't just all get activated like it did there. You want to have it flashing like this. So then watch, you can see this chest is empty. If I drop this redstone torch in there, it'll get pushed over because of this redstone and into the chest. So in case you were wondering what the purpose of this redstone was. Now you can cover this up with the correct block for the ground to make it look a bit nicer, but I'm not really going for looks here. Anyway, then you can kinda cover up the front here. And oh no, sorry, this is wrong. This should be coming out over another one. There should be 2 more hoppers. But then you place your chest there, get your hoppers, and place them leading out of it like that. Now, once you have that done, you can get your glass or whatever you're doing the front out of. Just place it like this. And then you want to leave a gap of 2 in the middle for your door so you can get in and replant your crops and stuff like that. And then you want to get a door, whatever kind of door you want. I'm using spruce because it looks good. And then yeah, you have your door here, and then as you saw over there how it works, it should just release the water like that, break the crops and bring it down into this chest. But I didn't cover up the side here, but you can do that. Just kind of bring some blocks out like this and some slabs. It's pretty easy to cover up, like. But I hope this video helped you. If you have any problems with the build here, just let me know in the comments and I will try and help you figure out how to fix your problems. And thanks for watching. Leave a like if the video was helpful, and consider subscribing if you like to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.